Last but not least, we've got our mountain family letters. So these are great because they involve all straight lines or diagonal. Well, they're straight, but they're kind of diagonal or on an angle, and they kind of look like upside down mountains or have the same shape as if you were to draw sort of some pictures of mountains like this. Yeah, so that's why they're called the mountain family. In this family, we've got 5 letters. We've got K, V, W, X and Z. Okay, and again, most of them have, because they're lowercase letters, are in the lower part of the line. K has that stalk, that line that goes from the top to the bottom that you just need to remember when you're doing a K. Right, let's get started. So with our lowercase k, you've got the line here. Then you do need to take your pencil off and you need to do this second part of the K. So you start in the middle here and you go like that, okay? So it can be a bit tricky sometimes just to get it right, but just make sure that you're going into the middle part and then you can go back down again. If you're finding that too tricky, what you can also do is when you've done the lines, you can go to the middle here and go up and then out. So down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Whatever you feel more comfortable with, both of that ways are absolutely fine. They look the same, they give the same result, so whichever way you find it easier to get that letter formed properly is absolutely fine. V, nice easy one, so we go down and up. Again, make sure you're staying on that bottom line and that you're going to the middle of the line as well. Make sure you've got it at an angle, so we're not doing it too straight or too wide. I don't want any fat V's like that, that's crazy. We don't need a fat V. Just got a normal V. And also, if you just notice where my wrist is when I'm writing, it's always directly below where I'm writing, okay? My hand's not like this because otherwise, one, I'd be smudging it, or if I'm holding it with my right hand, I won't always be able to see what I've written. So it's really important that you try and hold it underneath, so it's straight underneath so that you can see what you're writing and make sure that you're not smudging it or going over anything that you've done already. So W is just like a V, but it's kind of a bit more squashed and it's 2 of them together. So you go down, up, up. And again, it's really important that all 3 parts touch that middle section. And again, you've got those 2 bottom parts touching the bottom line as well. Moving on to X, nice easy one again. You've just got 2 lines to draw this time. So you're going to slide down this side and then slide down back the other side. See how I'm trying to keep this part and this part linked and this part lined up as well. Not linked, sorry, lined up. But again, that just comes with practice and it's not correct every time, but that doesn't matter. The more you practice, the better you'll get at it. And last but not least, also happens to be last in the alphabet, is our Z letter. So this one's great because it's got a horizontal line, so we go across, and then you've got your slide down to the left and then across again. So these 2, the top line and the bottom line, are linked up or lined up properly, although that now looks like a box. And then you've got that line going diagonally across the middle, so across, slide down, across. And again, if you want, you can put all of those together. So K, just remember you've got the whole line there for the stalk, and you can do your K either way, whichever one you find easier. V, W, X, and Z. K, V, W, X, and Z. There you have our mountain family letters, and now you've learned how to write every lowercase letter of the alphabet with the correct formation.